eating sushi? Basic tips for beginners. Desiring sushi lately? Pretty sure you can find a local sushi restaurant in your city. But did you know there's a set of ways on how to eat this Japanese dish? Sushi is one of the dishes out there you can enjoy in the simplest ways. Yet not many know that it takes years of gruesome training and experience just to perfect a series of sushi. It is food for most, but it is an art and expression for sushi masters worldwide. It has to brim with both heavenly flavor and beauty, inside and out. Lucky for you, not every sushi restaurant will break your bank account. While there are those exclusive for deep pockets, affordable shops do exist which invite people to try and experience the unique dish. Although the best sushi is typically found in Japan, you can enjoy it wherever it's offered in two main ways. Go by hand or chopsticks, your choice. Sushi has been designed as a fast food-like item, so eating it like finger food is meant to be. Though expect more people to eat it with chopsticks. Just wash your hands properly before eating. By chopsticks or by hand, your goal is to dip the correct part of sushi. If you dip the other parts, you would likely taste nothing but salty. This is because you need to dip the fish or topping part, not the rice. Dipping rice causes it to absorb soy sauce, which will amp the saltiness. So turn over the sushi after grabbing it and then dip the correct part. Not yet adept with chopsticks? Use your hand instead. The green-colored paste next to your sushi may be a curious thing. It isn't decor but an actual condiment to add spice. Sometimes, sushi chefs place wasabi in between the topping and rice by default based on the recipe. You can always tell the chef to omit that or add more depending on your preference. Here's another curious thing on a sushi plate: thinly sliced ginger or gari. It might be too beautiful to consume, but it serves a real purpose: reset your taste buds. So, now you know how to cleanse your tongue of the last sushi dish and prep it for the next one. Take note that gari has a sharp, refreshing sour-sweet taste. Conveyor belt sushi is a thing now. However, you may not see what you want on that conveyor belt. You can order them, including soup and drinks, but the ordering system depends on the shop. Either by a touchscreen tablet, a computer system, or the classic paper and pen. Do you eat sushi regularly? What is the most expensive sushi you've ever consumed? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.